Our long-term mission and vision is to maximize the impact of data on patient health. So to increase the human health span through better technology and better data. And what is really important for me as well is reducing the health inequities that we currently see in the world. So really finding a way for technology to contribute to solving not just health problems in the Western world, but actually much more broadly, and actually leveraging technology to really help underserved communities also do research into areas that are relevant for them. So I really hope, maybe 50 years in the future, people will recognize Castor for having made a great contribution to not only increasing the human health span, but specifically sort of reducing some of those inequities that we see in the world.
What does the future of clinical research look like? Here's our vision. With Castor, sponsors can build studies on a single platform and implement reusable components to create a data model for your clinical study that easily connects to different data collection modalities. More and more, participants are looking to take control of their own health and diagnoses by seeking clinical trials. Through an online search, a participant can find an enrollment page hosted by Castor for a new type of treatment. After reviewing the eligibility criteria on the recruitment website, a participant can begin the automated screening process by completing a straightforward pre-screening survey to ensure they are eligible for the study. After completing the pre-screening survey, the study investigator receives a notification about the participant's eligibility. Next, the participant receives a request from the investigator to schedule a meeting. Conveniently, the link allows them to choose the slot that works best and meet the investigator virtually at the scheduled time. Here, they can complete additional screening and schedule a follow-up appointment to begin the virtual consent process. Investigators can provide potential participants with all relevant study information, including access to their electronic health records, through the study patient portal. This way, they can make an informed decision about participating in a clinical trial and provide their consent. After consenting, an individual is enrolled into the study by the investigator as a randomized participant. Once enrolled in the study, the participant is provided a QR code that lets them download the Castor Connect app. Each week, the participant receives push notifications to fill in a weekly assessment and log their medication adherence. With Castor, the investigator can view all of the participants' activities and schedule the participant's first study visit, either at home or virtually through the Castor Connect app. Throughout the study, the participant is able to access the study portal to see their progress and download their data. Participants can view their health data collected during site visits and from wearable devices, just as an investigator can log into Castor and see when new wearable and EHR data is available for the participant. With the click of a button, the participant's data is mapped automatically to the correct visits and forms. After assessing the data, the investigator approves and the data gets imported into the platform. Castor uses data from previous trials to automatically raise data quality queries. This allows investigators to receive notifications about a query, and by using their own study health dashboard, investigators can look at the participant overview. Study sponsors can browse reports to assess site performance, review enrollment and data quality issues, and see where more queries are being raised. When the participant completes the study sponsor can export study data in a variety of formats, and query across multiple studies using Castor's machine-readable endpoints. And finally, the participant can download their trial data to support their journey to treatment. A scalable, smooth patient experience, from recruitment to direct data capture and analysis. That's the future of clinical research. That's Castor.